Now, if I tell you that you can make millions of cedis from the Ghana stock market by just your money working for you without any stress, do you believe it? You've probably heard of people buying MTN shares or getting dividend, but no one really explains how the Ghana Stock Exchange works. In this video, I'm going to break down the Ghana stock market from scratch. No jargon, no big grammar. And by the end of this video, you will understand what the Ghana Stock Exchange really is, what a stock really means, how people make money from the stock market, and what you must know before you ever buy your first share. So if you're a beginner, this video might be the most important financial video you watch this year. This is about long-term wealth, financial education, and understanding how the Ghana Stock Exchange really works. If you're serious about learning, stay with me. Now let's start with the basics. When we talk of the Ghana Stock Exchange, what does it really mean? Mostly you will see it being abbreviated as GSE. GSE, which is the Ghana Stock Exchange, is simply a marketplace where you can trade shares. Trading shares means you buying or selling. Now, just like Makola markets, where people buy or sell goods, the Ghana Stock Exchange is where people buy and sell shares of companies. These are real Ghanaian companies doing real businesses in Ghana. Now, the Ghana Stock Exchange was established in 1990 to help businesses raise money and allow ordinary people like you and me become part owners of companies. Because they realized that some companies were struggling with enough capital to invest in their businesses or to grow their businesses. So the Ghana Stock Exchange was developed to serve as a platform to invite ordinary citizens or ordinary Ghanaians to provide capital for companies to do their businesses. It's like you partnering with someone or you giving money to someone to grow his or her store, and at the end of the year, the profit that the person gets, he or she shares with you. That is how the Ghana stock market is. It's just a marketplace for shares. So anytime you hear GSE, don't think of something complicated. Think of it as a well-organized marketplace for company ownership. But what exactly are you buying? Let's talk about that. Now, a stock is also called a share, which represents ownership in a company. So when you buy a stock, you are buying a small piece of a company. Let me give you a simple example. Now, if MTN Ghana decides to divide its company into millions of small parts, which is called the shares, and you buy just one share, you now own a small part of MTN Ghana. You may not enter their office and sit on their chair, but legally, you are part of the company. This is what a stock is. You are not gambling. You are owning. Betting is predicting outcomes based on luck. Stocks are about ownership in real businesses or companies. Now, the big question is, why do people buy stocks in the first place? There are two main ways people make money from stocks on the Ghana Stock Exchange. There are reasons why people buy stocks. And the first reason is dividend. And the second one is capital appreciation. Now, dividends are a portion of profits that the companies share to their shareholders. So if a company makes a profit and decides to reward shareholders, they pay it in a form of dividend. In Ghana, most dividends are paid once a year. So at the end of the year, the company will release their financial statements, and inside their financial statements, they state the profits that they make, the net profits. That is after they deducted their expenses and everything. We have the net profits. That is the profit that they made during the year. And now the company decides to give portion of the profits they've made to their shareholders in a form of dividend. So let's say you owe MTN Ghana shares and MTN declares a dividend. You get paid based on how many shares you owe. This is why many people use Ghana stocks to build passive income. Now, the second one, which is the capital appreciation, is when the price of a stock increases over time. Let's say you buy a share at 1 Ghana and later it sells at 2 cedis. Your profit is 1 cedi per share. So if you buy 1,000 shares, you are making 1 Ghana cedi profits per 1 share. So if you buy 1,000 shares, that means you're making 1,000 Ghana cedis profit as a result of capital appreciation. Now, you have to know that not all stocks pay dividends every year.
Sometimes the company underperforms and they are not able to get enough profits. So in that situation, the company can decide not to pay shares during that year because they couldn't make enough profits. And so before you can buy or sell anything, there are things that you have to understand. Not all stocks prices go up. This is why education is critical. You need to know much about the Ghana stock market before you invest in any company. If you're looking to double your money in 1 week, the stock market is not for you. The Ghana Stock Exchange rewards patience, discipline, and knowledge. Now, stock prices move. That is normal. Long-term investors focus on business, not daily price movement. So you look at this, sometimes it goes up, sometimes it comes down. That is how the stock performs. It is normal. Now you have to understand this. You don't need to be rich to invest. Many Ghanaian stocks can be started with a small amount. What matters is consistency. You can start as low as 50 pesos. You have to also understand this. You cannot just wake up and buy stocks from anybody. Before you invest in the Ghana stock markets, first of all, you need a licensed broker. Also, you need a CSD account. Now, the licensed broker is someone or a licensed company who will help you create the CSD account. Now, this protects your money. Let's take a critical look, or let's dive into what these two things mean. What we mean by a CSD account and what we mean by a stock licensed broker. Now, when we talk of a licensed broker, a registered company who is officially allowed to buy and sell stocks on the Ghana Stock Exchange on your behalf. You give the instructions to the broker and then he performs. Now think of a broker as a middleman between you and the stock market. You can't trade directly on the Ghana Stock Exchange as an ordinary investor. You must go through a licensed broker. Now one may ask that, why do I need a broker? You protect investor interests, and also they have legal authority to trade on the Ghana Stock Exchange. If your broker is not licensed, you might risk losing your money to fraudsters or scammers. They can even perform illegal transactions because you have no legal protection. So a licensed broker will help you open your CSD accounts. Now, what do we mean when we say a CSD account? When we say CSD, it means Central Securities Depository. It is a CSD account that stores your shares electronically. Think of it like this. Your bank account holds your money. The same way your CSD account holds your shares. Without the CSD account, you cannot legally own stocks in Ghana. Now, if you create the CSD account, you can use it to buy different kind of stocks on the Ghana Stock Exchange. The broker just access the account only to trade, not to steal. Also, remember that the shares are not kept by the broker. They are kept by the CSD, which is managed by the Securities and Exchange Commission. This is why your investment is safer than people think. So the broker sells or buys shares for you, and then the CSD stores your shares. They are two different things. Example, if you buy MTN Ghana shares today, they are not just in your broker's pockets. They are stored in your CSD account. Now, let me explain this simple analogy. If the stock market is like shopping at a big store, then your broker will be shop assistant who actually goes into the back office and makes pitches for him to any order that you make. The shop assistant, which is the licensed broker, will go and then bring the item for you. Now, you need to also understand this. Companies list their shares on the Ghana Stock Exchange. So if you check on the Ghana Stock Exchange, you will see the number of companies that are listed there. And then investors open accounts and then buy or sell, or there's two licensed brokers. The Ghana Stock Exchange will then match the buyers and the sellers. Everything is regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission to protect investors. Now, the system ensures transparency and fairness. These are the common mistakes that you have to avoid when you want to invest. Investing without understanding, following rumors, putting all your money in one stock, and also panicking when prices fall. Now, let me take it one by one. In every investment that you make, you have to understand how the market works. Also, you don't have to follow any rumors, because sometimes some of the rumors might be fake. And also, you don't have to
invest in only one stock, because sometimes if the stock underperforms, that's you're going to lose your money. So you just diversify your investments, that if one pair stock is underperforming, you can cash out from other stocks which are performing. And also you don't have to expect big profit, because some of the stocks, when they are listed on the market, it takes time for the stock price to appreciate. Also, you don't have to panic when the prices fall, because when you look at the graph, you can see that like it falls and goes up, it falls and goes up. So you don't have to rush when the price is falling. If you've worked this far, you are already ahead of many people. A Ghana Stock Exchange is not something to fear. With the right knowledge, it can be a powerful tool to build wealth over time. In the next videos on this channel, I'll be introducing you to one of the best licensed brokers on the Ghana stock market, and also how to create a CSD account. So watch out. Remember, we are on a journey of financial freedom. So kindly subscribe, share for your friends who are also interested in cashing out from the Ghana stock markets, to also subscribe to this channel so that they can get any updates that will be uploaded on the page. Thank you for watching. God bless you.